Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Here's why many hardworking people stay stuck. They do the right things in the wrong order. They invest before saving. They upgrade before stabilizing. They scale before controlling. Money obeys sequence. Today, I introduce a brand new framework. Repeat button the wealth sequence law. This explains how order, not effort, creates wealth. Medium white star section 1. What is the wealth sequence? Wealth sequence is the correct order of earnings, stabilizing, protecting, growing, multiplying. Break the order, break progress. Medium white star section 2. WHY. Most people violate sequence. Most people. Crossmark rush investments. Crossmark skip foundations. Crossmark copy other stages. Crossmark chase outcomes. Crossmark ignore financial order. Sequence violation causes collapse. Medium white star section 3. The wealth sequence law model. Fire. The wealth sequence law has 5 mandatory stages. Keycap 1. Stage 1. Income stability. Reliable earnings, expense control, consistency. Unstable income ruins growth. Keycap 2. Stage TWO. Capital protection, emergency fund, insurance risk buffers. Protection comes before profit. Keycap 3. Stage 3. Capital growth, investing, compounding. Patience. Growth needs safety. Keycap 4. Stage 4. Capital leverage, business, assets, systems. Leverage multiplies. Keycap 5. Stage 5. Capital multiplication, reinvestment, diversification, legacy planning. Wealth sustains itself. Medium white star section 4. How to apply the wealth sequence. Keycap 1. Identify your current stage. Keycap 2. Stop jumping ahead. Keycap 3. Complete each stage fully. Keycap 4. Delay lifestyle upgrades. Keycap 5. Review annually. Sequence protects wealth. Medium white star section 5. Signs you're in the right sequence. White heavy checkmark. Calm progress. White heavy checkmark. Fewer losses. White heavy checkmark. Stable growth. White heavy checkmark. Long-term confidence. White heavy checkmark. Reduce stress. Bullseye. Conclusion. But strong close. Money does not reward speed. Fire. It rewards order. Apply repeat button the wealth sequence law, and wealth will finally flow correctly.